How to fix live suspended on TikTok. If you are not able to go live on TikTok application, then this video is for you. To fix it, first of all, launch your TikTok application and make sure that you have logged into your account. Then hit on the profile icon, which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From there on the top right, you will see three lines. Hit on that and select setting and privacy. Now scroll down to the last. There you will see report a problem option. Tap on it. Now go to the live and select hosting live. From here, select other hosting live issue and select no at the bottom. From here, select need more help. Then you will be taken to live chat box where you can tell them about your issue and TikTok team will help you out to resolve it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.